So I want to make sure you remember how to put sine, cosine, and tangent in your calculator. You've only done it in degrees before, but we're going to add radians. So on your calculator, your sine, cosine, and tangent buttons are 2 rows above the 7, 8, and 9. So you need to make sure that your mode for our first question, I should go back, it's the cosine of 32. It has a degree sign, so we know it's in degrees. So I need to make sure my mode is in degrees. So I go to mode, it's in degrees, so I can quit out of that screen, just second mode, which is quit. And then we can do the cosine of 32 degrees. I think it was 32. Yes, enter. So we're in degrees, so this is the correct answer. So 0.848, and after the 0 is a 4, so we keep it the same. So 0.848. We're rounding to the nearest 10 thousandths. Remember, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths. Now this one is in radians. There's 2 reasons I know that. 1, there's no degree sign, and 2, we have a pi. Remember, our radians are written in terms of pi as a fraction conventionally. So I'm going to go to sine of 2 pi divided by 5. Now, we've previously not put pi in the calculator when finding coterminal angles because pi is irrational. So the way that I help myself remember when to put the pi in the calculator is if you're touching the sine, cosine, or tangent buttons, that's when you put the pi in the calculator. Now I'm currently in degrees, so I need to switch and I need to move it to radian. So I hit enter on radian and then I can quit out of that. And as long as I have it in radians before hitting enter, it will give me the correct answer. So 0.9510, after the 0 is a 5, so 0.9511. So this is 0.9511. And then for the tangent of 51, we need to be, it's in degrees because we have this degree sign. There's also no pi. So I'm going to switch it back to degrees. So we're going to go to mode, switch to degree, quit out of that screen. We're doing the tangent of 51. You can forego closing your parentheses because you're not doing any operation after it, so it won't make a difference, but just be aware that if you're doing an operation after it, that you have to close your parentheses. So this gives you 1.2349. And that's how we put our sine, cosine, and tangent in the calculator.